Friends, now let's start present continuous tense. Now, what is the structure of present continuous tense? In present continuous tense, you will use first subject, then is, am, are. These are the helping verbs of present continuous tense. And then fourth form of the verb, that will be ing verb, and then object. Clear? Now, give a look at the uses of present continuous tense. The very first use of present continuous tense is we always use present continuous tense at the time of speaking. For example, I am teaching you and you are learning English grammar. Now you can see all these sentences are telling about the action which is going on at the time of speaking. You can see another example. I am listening to Melody's song. They are playing cricket in that field. But dear students, there are some events, some action that are going on at the time of speaking, but we can't see them. For example, because of coronavirus, the number of the patients is increasing day by day. For another example, population is increasing day by day. You can see in both the example, we can't see these actions. Clear? We can only feel, but these are happening at the time of speaking. We are discussing about it. The second point is, the second use of present continuous tense is for temporary routine action. Routine action we have already discussed in simple present, but that is only routine action, not temporary routine action. Clear? In routine action, that will be regular or irregular, we always use simple present, but in temporary routine action, we always use present continuous tense. How can you identify that? Now, let's see the example. I am preparing for competitive exam these days. Now, it means that I am preparing now. After that, we have to do another work. In second sentence, my father is working in an office nowadays. And another sentence you can see here, or what is the difference between this sentence and this? My father is working in an office. Now you have to choose the correct one. Now, my father is working in an office nowadays. This sentence is showing temporary routine action. But due to what? Nowadays. Clear? Because these are the words which are showing temporary routine action. But in this sentence, my father is working in an office. This is wrong. In this type of sentences, you always use present indefinite. Simple present you can say. Clear? That's why the sentence is wrong. At the place of is working, you will use works. My father works in an office. It means that this sentence is showing only routine action, not temporary action. Thank you.